Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Please excuse my nasally voice. I am getting over a cold. But anyways, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this cool toned mauve soft glam makeup look. So if you're interested in knowing how to achieve this look for yourself, and if you're interested in knowing what products I used, then make sure to keep on watching. Alright you guys, so I already went ahead and I did my base, and I also went ahead and I primed my eyes. If you're interested in knowing what my base routine is, I'll have a video linked down below where I go into details on how I like to prepare my base in terms of color corrector, primer, concealer, and all that fun stuff. But if you're interested in knowing what foundation I'm wearing today, I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in the shade Golden Beige. I have currently been obsessing over this foundation. It's such a good drugstore foundation. Now, in terms of my lids, I went ahead in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I just set my eyes in place with some Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. So to start, I'm grabbing the Too Faced Christmas Cookie House Party palette. This is a Christmas palette from last year. I'll just open it up and show you guys. It's such a beautiful palette. I've done quite a few tutorials using this palette. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead in with the shade Sled No One Ever. And I'm grabbing this shade on my Morphe M433 blending brush. And I'm just going ahead in with this color, and I'm going to start working it into my crease. Next, I'm grabbing the shade Secret Santa, and using a separate clean Morphe M433 blending brush, I'm going to go ahead in and concentrate this onto the crease as well, just to define the crease a little bit more and darken it up. And then just going back in with the brush that we used to apply the first shade, I'm just going to blend these two colors out. Next, I'm grabbing the shade Don't Hate Decorate, and grabbing a Morphe M124 flat brush. I'm going to be applying this color onto my entire lid. Next, I'm grabbing the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, and I'm going to go ahead in with the shade Oud. And I'm just grabbing this color on a big fluffy brush, and I'm going to go ahead in and start smoking it out onto my outer corners. And don't be afraid to really pull the color kind of outwards. We will clean it up with concealer, but just don't be afraid to try to create a nice like outer V shadow. It's going to really help give you that cat eye effect. Alright you guys, so I want to take a break from the eyes, and I want to work on the face a little bit, and then I'll go back in and wrap up the eyes. So I want to go ahead in and conceal the face. I'm going ahead in with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, and this is in the shade True Beige. I'm going to avoid the nose for now, because when I go ahead in and nose contour, I'm going to go ahead in with concealer anyway. So we're just gonna avoid the nose for now. And you want to just take the concealer and clean up the edges of the eyes, just like that. And to set everything in place, I'm going in with the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. So while everything is baking and setting in place, I'm going to go ahead and put on some eyeliner. I'm grabbing the Tattoo Liner by KVD Vegan Beauty. Alright, so eyeliner is done. I'm going to go ahead and just wipe away the setting powder that's on my face. I'm grabbing the shade Sled No Ever once again, and I'm just grabbing this color on my E35 brush by Morphe, and I'm going to go ahead and just smoke this color onto my entire lower lash line. I'm going back into the Desert Dusk palette and grabbing the shade Oud, and using the same brush, I'm just going to apply this color onto the outer portion of my lower lash line. Alright you guys, so that's pretty much it when it comes to the eyes. The very last thing I have to do is wrap up my lashes. So for lashes, I'm going to go ahead and off camera and quickly put on the Kiss #1. You guys already know I love these drugstore lashes. They are beautiful. So I'm going to pop a pair of those on. And for mascara, I'm going to be going ahead in with a new mascara, the Air Volume Mascara by L'Oreal. I love this mascara. It's so great, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead in with this, and of course I'm also going to do my brows off camera, and to do that I'm grabbing the Eyebrow by Benefit, and I'm in the shade 04. Alright you guys, so eyes are done and brows are done. Now I'm going to go ahead in and contour. So to contour, I'm grabbing the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. So I'm just taking the bronzer on this Sonia Keshik brush, and I'm going to go ahead in and just contour my nose. I'm just going ahead in with some of the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. I'm going to take some down the center of my nose and just a little bit on the sides. And now just going in with a small beauty blender, I'm going to just blend this all out. Alright, so I'm all done contouring. Now I'm going to go ahead in and put on some blush. So I'm going in with my Morphe 9N blush palette, and I'm going to go ahead in with this shade right here. And of course, I'm applying the blush just a little bit higher up because it's going to help slim out my face. For highlight, I'm going in with the e.l.f. and Nabela Noor highlight in Neharika Glow. Grabbing my beauty blender, and I'm going to just press this highlight into the skin, really just melt it into the skin. So the very last thing I have to do is my lips, so I'm going to go ahead in and line them using the NYX Professional Makeup Retractable Lip Liner in Sand Beige. And for lipstick, I'm grabbing the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Flirt. Alright you guys, so that is pretty much it for the makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. And of course, all the products that I used today will be listed down below in the description box, so make sure to check that out. And if you guys have suggestions on any videos you would like to see from me, make sure to comment down below and let me know. And of course, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload from me. And you guys, that is pretty much it for today. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!